Hey everyone, it's Kendy Jane. Today we're going to be trying on two new products. One is the 24-hour Superstay Foundation from Maybelline, and the other is a new Maybelline mascara, the Total Temptation. Please remember to subscribe. It's the button down below. I've already put my primer on. I use the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. And I'm now going to put the 24-hour Superstay foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. And let's see what color I got here. This is in 120, which is Classic Ivory. I'll start off with like 2.5 pumps on my skin. And I'm going to just go ahead and use my beauty blender. That's normally what I use. This foundation is waterproof. You can use it if you're going in water, going swimming, or if you're going in the heat. For instance, if you live in Louisiana, I know in the South, in the summertime, it is very hot and you sweat if you're outside exercising or just walking from your car to the grocery store. The color's not too bad. It looks like it might have a yellow neutral undertone, which I think I look better with a pink undertone. Okay, I think I have too much because I still have some left on my little, I don't know what you call this, that I put my foundation on. I bought this at Amazon for like $3, and it came with a little, if you mix something in it, you can use the little spatula to mix it in. But this is really cute, I thought. Okay, and we're going to try a few different products today along with this new foundation. And this will be good if people, you know, like if you go on vacation and you need something that lasts a little bit longer, that is waterproof. Okay, and what I'm going to use, since I'm using Maybelline, I'm going to use the Fit Me Concealer to kind of use the same brand. Okay, let me get this side. And I'm going to also try out the new Maybelline Unstoppable Mascara. I just curled my eyelashes. So we're going to put that on. It's, yeah, this is the mascara. And it says it's full fluffy lashes, and they give a before and after picture, and 85% saw full volume, 92% saw it that it lengthened, and 4 out of 5 loved how it looked on their eyelashes. So let's go ahead, and I've already put a little eye makeup on with my liner. And this is, I love the packaging, and I like the little pink and black container it's in. and it's got a straight little spoolie. Oh, it's really pretty. It separates nicely, and it really does lengthen. That's like one coat. Wow, it really looks nice. I might have to touch up a little bit, but let's see. The best thing to do if you get mascara on your skin is to let it dry, then flick it off, because it won't stick to your skin. But I always like to get it off right away for some reason. But I don't know if you can come in a little closer to show how full they are. It's really pretty. Okay. All right, and let's see. We're gonna put on a little bit blush. Let's see what I can find real quickly. I have a Sephora blush set right here. I did a skincare review earlier. That's why I'm still in my robe and makeup. I just wanted to do this one. Okay, put a little blush on. I won't be doing much today. Well, I'll be doing things around the house, so I don't want to put too much on. I really like how this mascara looks. Okay. Next, I have one other new product I want to try. Well, new to me. I have one of the Physician's Choice. This is a highlight palette, and it's Glow Pearls, Mineral Glow Pearls, in translucent. Let's see what that looks like on top here. And I purchased one more of those Katy Kat lipsticks to wear with it. Let's see. Gosh, they're in this box good. Look how pretty. It just looks so pretty. I said I have to try that out. Just open it up. It's a plastic container. Okay, you just press it and the lid pops up, and it has a little mirror at the bottom. The typical Physicians Formula highlighter, and they give you these little spongy applicators. Let me just leave that in there because I'll use a brush. Let's see, I like to use this when I'm highlighting, a round brush. Wow, that's pretty. I wouldn't go too heavy, but I always seem to. Look at the glow. Wow. That's pretty. When I smile, that I can see where that foundation has settled into my well, I guess it's fine line, but this line here. And a little bit, I didn't set my under eyes, so let me do that now. That might help with the before it gets too bad. Let's see, my Fit Me powders here. I don't use a lot of powder on my face. I don't like to. I like the glowiness. But I'll set this under eye here so we can see how the foundation and the concealer does. But I can see right here a little in my smile lines. It's settling into my creases here. I don't know if you can see that, but I surely see it. And I normally don't notice these that much, but we'll see in a few hours how it looks. Okay, I love this highlight though. It looks really pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna put this Katy Perry lipstick on. This one is called Cat Call. It's this color. And this is the color of Cat Call. I can swatch it on my hand, maybe you can see it better. It's a pinky, dark pink color. Alrighty. It's a really pretty color lipstick. Wow, I really like that. Okay, I'm going to go and dress, and I will check back with you shortly. Hi everyone, I'm here for the check-in. It's about 9:52. And the foundation doesn't look that bad, but I can see where it's settled into some of my fine lines here, and also around my nose, and especially around my mouth. I haven't eaten yet, so I don't know why in this area it's really, and then I just find that up here it has settled in, but it really doesn't look that bad. For 12 hours, it's about 12 hours, but it's a 24-hour full coverage foundation. My eyelashes have stayed very pretty. I also wanted to mention this mascara has coconut extract in it, and also when you're applying the coats onto the lashes, they say to don't let it dry between coats. If you're going to add multiple coats of mascara, I only added like 2, but do it very quickly. Don't let it dry in between coats. This will be my #1 drugstore mascara. I really love it. I haven't had one that has lengthened and had the fullness that this one has. It only has a 6-month life, and I also like the way the highlighter looks, the Milani highlighter. This, let's see what they say it's called. It's called Translucent Pearl Mineral Glow Pearls. It's so pretty, and the packaging is so pretty. The way the you just press the little button and the plastic top pops open, and it's a pretty sheen on the face, but I really like it. So I would give a thumbs up to these. If I were going to be going out in the sun and sweating a lot or shopping, I would use this foundation. It's similar to the Fit Me, I find, but I really like how it looks. So that is it for this review. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.